What's up, YouTube? We're going to be working on the Thunder Chicken again today. We're going to be relocating the battery to the trunk. In order to do this, we have run the ground to a taillight connection. We've bought this nice battery box to put the battery in so that it's safe, secure, not able to move. And we have run a 15-foot wire from the front to connect to the positive. To do this, we will be, we'll be bolting this battery box down back here, which will require us to drill a couple of holes. The battery will slide into the box, and we will be drilling a hole into the box to allow the power side to come up through the bottom clean, since it's a front post terminal. So to get started, the battery box comes with these clips that you can use to strap down your battery in the box. I'm going to mount them here and here so that I can mount the box to the car, drilling holes there and there. So just like this. Next, I have to put the box far enough back that it will clear the deck lid. Right there seems to be fine. It also has to be close enough that I can reach with my wire. I think right there is going to be a good spot for us, because I can still slide that out and get the battery in. To mount the battery box to the car, I will use 3/8 inch drill bit. Got to make sure to also put this box in a place where I can connect through the body of the car without going into the hole for the fuel filler. Which is there. Approximately. Every time you move it, you gotta double check everything. Which can be a pain. I have to drill the hole on the outside of this weld seam, so that way I can reach it from the bottom. If I drill it on this side of the welded seam, I'll be going into the frame rail of the car, which won't allow me to reach from the bottom to put the bolt through. Now, because I'm going to do that, I might put a couple of self-tapping screws here just to help sturdy up the box. Now let's go into the car and make sure we're not going to drill into anything important. Oh boy. Such as there's nothing there. So we should be good to drill our holes there. And I will use a Sharpie to make a mark. There and there. Alright, so I'm going to take these 3/8" bolts and use them to bolt in the battery box right there. 3 washers on each side. That way we can avoid the bolts coming up from the fuel filler. Yeah, that's not. Very good. Might have to switch out this terminal on the end for a top mount.
You can probably get that in there, Keith.
I think.
You may have to change the battery cable.
What do you mean?
2 people in a dump truck to get this thing in and out of here now.
That's okay. Look what up.
The battery.
Yeah. Ta-da. It's in. There we have it. Battery box install. Relocation to the trunk and should start the car now.